Hey, what's up guys? It's another video. So please like, subscribe and share with your friends. So guys, on this video, I will show you the best sensitivity settings for Call of Duty Mobile. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you're new to our channel, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So guys, if you properly follow that all settings, then you will be able to handle recoil for any weapon and you get more kills if you use following settings. However, perfect sensitivity settings help to improve your accuracy. Here is the rotation mode. You see the three different options. I suggest you select the fixed speed. It will be help you muscles memory. So you will know exactly how much move to your finger to move a certain distance. But before they begin, go to Telegram app, search Handography World and join the channel. Also our other social media platform available. Now join our new WhatsApp group. Link in the description. After that, go into a game and then swipe your thumb from the middle part of the screen till the edge of your screen. If your camera rotation 180 degree, which is directly behind you, then you're good. If it's too much or too little, you might want to adjust the standard sensitivity accordingly that you are consistently close to 180 degree. Here you can see guys my sensitivity settings. The standard sensitivity 56, ADS sensitivity 66, technical scope sensitivity 116, 3x technical scope 87, 4x scope 26, 6x technical scope 22 and finally 8x technical scope 21.
Turret is ready. UAV recon ready for deployment.
Reloading! Cover me! Changing mag, cover me! Down! Need backup! I'm down! Need backup! Enemy in sight!
UAV online. UAV online.
I got shot! I'm down! Need backup! Contact with it.
Stealth chopper on standby.
I'm down!
Stealth chopper inbound.
Reloaded!
Oh my god! Wow!
Reloading! Cover me! I got shot!
UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
I'm down! Changing back! Cover me! I'm hurt! Contact with enemy! I'm down!
UAV recon ready for deployment.
I'm down! Target's in sight!
Close, fight harder. We've taken the lead.
Reloading.
It's too close, fight harder. We lost the
Reloading.
lead.
Cover me. I'm down.
Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. It's too close, fight harder. Shield turret is ready. We've taken the lead.
I'm down. Enemy in sight. Need backup.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
Enemy contact. Reloading.